Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm here to show you an old traditional hairstyle where I began by doing my eyebrows. Yeah, I had to put my eyebrow tattoo, which has been dry for some minute now. Now I have to peel it off. I have to peel it off, then the eyebrow tattoo will stay stick. So right now I start with my hair, brush it, comb it. As usual, it's been a while. I know many people will be like, wow, what is happening? Yeah, I get other things doing. I'm busy doing other things, work. So that's why it's so difficult for me to be there regularly, and it's just my own hair. If I probably had somebody that I had to do hair for or with on, I'll be uploading a lot of hair. So start by parting foresight. Parting has not been my perfect choice whenever it comes to parting. It's not a good one for me because I did not have two mirrors by me. If one day I'm able to have a place where I could put another mirror, bigger mirror, so that I could see my front and back, that would be very nice. So for now, I just manage one mirror. For now, I manage one that I could do my hair on. Yeah, so I always try by parting all my hair around and before I start braiding. That is what I do. So, like I said, I just recently fell in love with the old traditional ways. I remember how our mothers, my mom used to do it for us, and it helped grow the hair quickly. So lately, this is what I will be doing, depending if I do have the thread or the yarn. Remember, we do have two kinds of yarn: the threaded yarn and the extension, the one that is like acrylic. I don't know. Just a minute. So it's like acrylic, or we can call it Brazilian wool hair. Yeah, those two things are the uh, materials that we can use to do single braid or not single braid. The traditional hairstyle. Yeah, you can also use extension. No, everything works depending on how you use it, depending on how you're careful. Parting my hair has always been my best choice. For some reason, I like to part it all the way round before starting braiding because I feel like if I just go ahead and start braiding without, if I start braiding without parting my hair, my hair, my my hair might get just be mess up. So I got 4 on the other side and 8 on the other side. The 4 it will be the one that I will be using to twist around all the way down. And then the other 8 part of it will like represent my hair is gonna be attached. No, that's what I'll use all the way down. And I try not to like do my hair too long because I realize that I do not have enough thread. Sorry, I forgot to show you the bundle, my very last bundle that was left. My bundle thread, the chocolate yarn. Those of you who have been watching my videos, you can always go back and you will see videos that I use chocolate yarn. You will see the bundle. I had a leftover bundle. That's what I'm using on my head right now. I try not to make mine too long like some other um, content creators. No, you do your style depending on what you have and depending on how you like it. So with the yarn or with this thread, it's always good to burn it at the end of the day. When you are done, you burn the edges. I know I do not have a video of where I burn it, but that's my advice. If you know you can't keep it too long, you are not that careful, you can always burn the edges with a lighter. Make sure you tie it like 3 times and cut the edges with the scissors. Then after braiding the first one, the second one and the rest, you will be using the first as a sample. Make sure you use your measure as you braid. You measure as you braid. Let's keep watching, guys. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe, and comment. Help me grow my YouTube video, my YouTube channel. I need your help to grow my channel, guys. I know I'm not too perfect. I'm trying. Like every day, I keep learning on how to edit videos. Every day, I learn one thing. I learn new things, how to braid and how to edit videos. When I started last year, I never knew many things, but along the line, I learned a lot. I ask questions, I meet people, and I mess around with my buttons on my phones. I Google search, how can I do this? How can I do that? So that is how I was able to know most of the things. Please don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe. Subscribe to my YouTube. That's it for now.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel. When I'm with you, I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else. Just
I like the way your body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over. Tick, 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 tick it all up. Make you sing. Make your phone so everything's begin. My mama always told me nothing's for free. She's like good, I'm saving. I put it all on the table. Spend all I said, she knows that I'm caving. One hand on the wheel, driving with one hand on my knee. I look in his eyes, but there is something I don't see. Late at night, chasing the heights. Your name's like a good, no reflections in my mind. You got it, go make it go, get go, let's not waste any time.
Okay, guys, I'm almost done. I'm rounding up the last two or the last one that I have. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while. So when you take too long to do, The day you start up again, yeah, it feel like you've never done it before. But anyway, if you are a hair doer, it doesn't matter. The only difficult part is because I'm doing my own hair. Do it yourself is difficult than when you do it on somebody. So I appreciate those of us out there that are actually trying the best we can. Yeah, it might not be too good enough. The pattern, especially the backward, some of the braid, my few of them might look a little bit rough, just a little bit, but it's not that easy. So now is the time. It's the time for me to like start putting them together, aligning them, put them in order. Yeah, see, I am almost done. Some people kind of do it in a very nice way. I think ahead of this video, you good. I will do it again. This is just like showing you how I could bundle it together to make it look neat, or for it to just be in order anyway. Now it's time to make my edges, and then you can see my eyebrow is still there. It looks like I just put a pencil, but no, it is the eyebrow tattoo. I will personally do just a video of eyebrow tattoo, how I put it and how I peel it off. It doesn't take so much time. You just need to just do it in a very nice way that will not mess up your eyebrow. So I have the eyebrow tattoo with me. So maybe any day from now, I'm gonna do it again so that you can see. So showing you my hair all the way around. I feel like that back looks a little bit messy. Maybe I will try to do it again so that you see. I will try to like bundle it nicely. Probably because I was already tired. So we just see how this bundling, the next bundling will look like. So putting them together, I just wanted to see how my face came out to be. Yeah, I can see that the two side corners were too close compared to the middle side, but it's okay. Okay, guys, the next day I try to rebundle it. I try to fix the bond to see if it's going to look better than the one we did yesterday or I did yesterday. But it doesn't matter how you want it to look like. It all depends on you, but just try to do something that people will look at it and appreciate it. So I wasn't trying to do too much, but just trying to fix it. Also, do not forget to band the edges. If you feel like you can't do it, okay, you leave it. All right, bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.